In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert GGives to GCash wallet without GPO. Right up front, here's the key truth. You can't directly convert GGives to your GCash wallet without using GPO, which stands for GGives Payout. GGives only lets you redeem through official payout partners, and that's by design for security, fraud prevention, and to make sure your funds go to the right account safely. So here's how to do it the right way. Open your GGives account and head straight to the payout section. This is where GGives lists its official redemption options. Look for GCash in the list and select it if it's available for your account. Availability can vary based on region, account status, or ongoing promos. So don't worry if you don't see it every single time. Just stick to what's officially offered in that menu. Once you choose GCash, follow the on-screen prompts to link your GCash number. Take a moment to double-check that the number you enter is current and active, and that it matches your GCash account. Small typos here can delay payouts or send your funds to the wrong place, so accuracy matters. If the system asks you to confirm details, review them carefully before proceeding. Next, choose how much you want to convert. You may see minimum or maximum redemption amounts, as well as any applicable fees or estimated processing times. These details come from GGives and its payout partners to keep things predictable and transparent. If you're asked to verify via a one-time code or confirm through your GCash app, complete those prompts as they appear. These checks add an extra layer of protection to your transaction. After you confirm, wait for the success message in GGives and any follow-up notification from GCash. Processing is often quick, but it can take a little longer during peak times. Keep your apps updated and your notifications turned on so you don't miss important status updates. Finally, a crucial warning. Avoid third-party shortcut methods that claim to convert GGives to GCash without GPO. Those aren't supported, and using them can put your account and your points at risk. If it's not in the official payout section, it's not an approved route. To recap, there isn't a direct way to convert without GPO. The safe and supported path is to use GGives Payout, pick GCash when it's offered, link your correct number, and follow the prompts. Do that and your funds will move securely and reliably.